Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting to Bangalore, and today I am going to the office. It's a first day of my office and I'm already a bit late, so I have to ride fast as to reach as soon as possible because I don't want to get any bad impression on the first day itself from the manager. The location is in Kormangala, so I have to go from Yelahanka to Kormangala. For my office, it will be 27 kilometer per one side. So almost I have to travel like 55-60 kilometer per day, and it will be a headache for me. Maybe so if the road is good, then it won't be any headache. But as you know, I am riding in the Bangalore, and I can't expect the free roads every time. So currently now I am in Yelahanka passing to the bypass heading towards the Nepal. So and one more thing I have to say, thanks for this bike. If I want to make any fast move or if I want to go somewhere, I can go without any problem. So if you ask me for the mileage, how much it is giving, so according to me, the way I'm riding, the bike will give 20 or 21 kilometer per liter. And if I'm entering inside the city, then I won't get a mileage of 20 kilometers. Also, it will be less than 20 kilometers. So I am entering now. So let's hope for the best. I don't want to stuck in any traffic, but things are in not my control. Anything can happen. And one more important thing, that why I'm not uploading videos regarding the Suzuki Fiero modification, as I told you in the last videos. So after that ride, I came to home back, and next week I was going again to my hometown, and while coming back, I had faced some issues from the engine. The crank started noising very badly, and till the time I come here, the engine was totally gone. But the engine didn't seize, but it's if I ride more, then it is going to seize. So that's why I'm not riding that bike. And moreover, I was busy in my work, as I was working work from home, so I couldn't make that next upgrade or the engine whatever. So the next step what I'm going to do is, so next I'll do the engine of the Fiero. So I know one guy who does the engine very nicely. So I'll go there and I'll make the engine, and I'll give you update about that, how it's going on, or what is the review after the engine done. so that you guys can go there. If he is a good, you guys can go there and you can make your bike engine as well. So for that, let me do the engine there so that I can update you. I thought to do modification without doing the engine, but I thought there is no point of doing any modification when the engine only is not in the condition. Even though I can't ride also, so I thought it's okay. I'll make a engine first, and I'll go for the restoration or the modification which I told you in the last videos. And the thing went wrong with me is when I went to buy the bike, I noticed that bike is giving some white smoke. So what that guy told me is, if you make half engine, then that will be, more than sufficient. So it will become normal. So that we supposed to do the head and the rings of the piston, so that would control the smoke or the engine oil, draining or burning issue, whatever. So what they did, before giving me, so they added a chain oil. So as you guys know that a chain oil will be a thicker. So when they mix in the engine oil, so this engine oil also will become thicker, so that it won't burn fastly. So I noticed that when they're changing the oil, engine oil, so what I asked them what happened, why it's so thick than the normal engine oils. So they said they have mixed a chain oil, that's why the bike was not giving much smoke, even though it's already gone. You have to do the full engine, so you can't do half engine, because this is not in such a condition, so that if you make half engine also, it will be run. So I didn't had any other options to do. Like, I already paid them money, everything was done, so I thought it's okay. So I don't have any plans to sell the bike, so I'll make the engine, and I'll start doing modification and all by myself. And I'm going to keep that bike, I don't want to sell that. So that's why I thought I'll make a full engine. Doesn't matter how much it will take, so I'll make it full and I'll use that by myself. So yes guys, so you have to notice this. And if any vehicle is giving white smoke, means it's clearly rejected there. Please reject the vehicle then and there itself. If they said that, yeah, you can make the engine with the some of like in the less price itself, so that we will give compensation for that, don't listen anything, just reject the bike and go for next bike. This is came from my experience, because I have never faced such issues till now. But here I don't know why I went wrong. So before also I used to saw such kind of bikes, and I used to reject then and there. But I don't know what happened that day. I bought that. So you guys don't do that problem, that mistake actually. So if there is any white smoke, then reject it without any other reason. So what I feel is I am lucky enough today. So I am going through the little bit traffic, but it is okay than the stopping in each and every signals. Oh, What is this? I didn't lock it, I guess, or it came off. I have to lock it again. Just to lock this, I have to again remove the front seat. So it's better I'll reach office and I'll do that. Here we go. I need to stop or what? And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching my video first time, then go and check out my channel, One Step Films, and see you guys in next video.